In 1837, a young man was born in Brooklyn, New York. His father, an immigrant to America, became a prominent New York lawyer before moving his family to Iowa, where the young boy would eventually study law under his father's eye. He would grow to become a prominent attorney himself, particularly in the area of mining law, and eventually found his way to the Deer Lodge Valley of Montana, where in 1874 he married Ida Wilcox. William Wirt Dixon served as the chief counsel for the Anaconda and Amalgamated Companies, as a member of Montana's territorial legislature, and later as the state's lone member of Congress before eventually retiring to California. Upon his passing, Ida Dixon made a gift of his 500-volume law library and an initial donation of $2,000, inspiring the legislature to create a law school in Missoula and launching 100 years of the University of Montana School of Law. It's a school of pioneers, like Justin Miller, one of its first graduates, who would later lead law schools as dean at the University of Southern California and Duke University, before being appointed to the federal bench by President Franklin Roosevelt. Women like Fran Elgee, who would become one of the first women to serve as county attorney in Montana. And the school would become home to the country's first American Indian law clinic and a national leader in legal education. For 100 years, the school's graduates have impacted their communities, state, and nation. From small towns to Washington, D.C.
Ask not what your country can do for you.
It is also a school of leaders and noted jurists. A school of champions, of family, and friends. From one woman's gift sprang forth 100 years of excellence in law. This September, come home, connect, and celebrate your place in history.